Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make this old-fashioned WATERGATE salad. It's also referred to as a Pistachio Delight, Green Fluff, or Green Stuff. The 5 ingredients you're going to need to make this simple side dish is 1 cup of chopped pecans. If you'd like to substitute this for walnuts, you may. 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple in its juice. 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip thawed. 1.5 cups of miniature marshmallows, and the star of the show is this pistachio instant jello. And the secret is the WATERGATE salad recipe is here on the top. I grew up with this on my holiday table and absolutely loved it. Let me show you how we're going to make this. Add your large can of pineapple into a medium-sized mixing bowl along with your instant jello green pistachio pudding mix. With a spatula, we're going to stir these ingredients together. This WATERGATE salad came out in 1975, the same year as your pistachio jello pudding. That looks perfect. We're going to add our marshmallows along with those pecans. Coat these marshmallows and pecans with our green pistachio pudding and pineapple mixture. Add that Cool Whip, that 8-ounce container. I'm gonna fold this in until it's all lovely and green. You just want to keep folding it until you can no longer see white streaks and green streaks through your WATERGATE salad. Add this into your serving bowl. Cover and chill 1 hour or overnight before serving. Off to the refrigerator this goes. It's been 1 hour of chilling, and I'm going to show you how I garnish the top before I serve it. I add 3 pecans or pecans, wherever you are in the world and how you like to say it, and then I add a few chopped nuts on top. And if you want to use pistachio nuts, you may. I just didn't have them on hand, and I absolutely love how that looks, and I can't wait to try it. So let's get a spoonful, and you see how that kind of really sets up? It's that pistachio jello instant pudding, and I'm going to put it right here on a plate. Ooh, and looky there. You can see that marshmallow right there. And the pecans. Oh, gotta give it a try. Nice, light. Wow. Light, fluffy. Those tad bits of pineapples. The crunch of the pecans. That whipped cream. The pistachio pudding mix. The flavors are just this beautiful, light delight. You're not going to be disappointed in this WATERGATE salad or pistachio delight or green fluff or green stuff. It's delicious. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.